So first, let's talk about why do AI models sometimes give you totally different answers. To understand this, we have to understand what is RAG. RAG is a Retrieval Augmented Generation, and we are going to talk about RAG in very deep. So RAG is a Retrieval Augmented Generation. Basically, RAG combines knowledge retrieval with AI text generation. It uses document database to find most relevant facts from the database. This approach makes AI responses more accurate and more reliable. We'll understand everything in very deep. So how RAG works, and this is the same process also work behind the ChatGPT. So first we encode the documents, take for example PDF as a document, then we convert that PDF into vectors, into embeddings using specific embedding models. Then we store that embeddings into vector database. Then whenever you ask some questions to that PDF, your queries also convert into embeddings. Then it will do similarity search on the documents on vector database. Then once it's found the most relevant fact from your database, then we combine query plus retrieve document and we send as a prompt to large language model. Then large language model can generate more accurate answers based on your questions. So these also happen whenever you ask something to ChatGPT, and if your prompt is not well structured, then it will hit different piece of document from vector database, and then sometime you are getting different answers. And now it's time for a quick demo. I created an app RAG over PDF files using SambaNova hosted models because SambaNova is one of the most fastest large language model provider in the world. All thanks to their purpose-built RDU chip, which is built for handling AI workloads at the fastest speed. And for vector database, I'm using Qdrant, and let's see this video live to understand RAG in very deep. Are you trying to use AI to query your documents but experiencing slow processing time? Using Llama 4 via SambaNova is cheaper and quicker than any other AI platform in the market. Here I built a quick tool to do just that, and look how fast the delivery time is. If you want to try out SambaNova for free, head over to cloud.sambanova.ai. Alright, so let's understand RAG process in detail using this diagram. So first we take document, for example take it as a PDF file, then we convert this PDF file into encode, into embeddings, into numbers using specific embedding models. OpenAI has their own embedding model, Google has their own embedding model, Mistral has their own embedding model, so there are so many providers has their own embedding models. Then we store that numbers as an index into vector database, so whenever you ask any questions, your queries also convert into embeddings, then it will do similarity search on vector database. Once it's found the most relevant fact from the database based on your query, then query plus found the most similar document from the vector database both go as a prompt to large language model. Then it can generate more accurate answer based on your query. So let's understand why RAG is so useful. Because RAG prevents AI hallucination and enhances reliability. It connects models to current and most relevant information. It is very crucial for high-stake applications like healthcare, finance, or any AI applications. Some real-world use cases, RAG can be used in healthcare, support doctors with research. RAG can be also used in finance, provide accurate market insights, customer support in any company, answer FAQs from company documents, search legal texts for precedents, and in education, it can help students with reliable answers. So, summary, I hope you understand now why you are getting totally different answers when you ask something to ChatGPT. So you have to give more structured question to ChatGPT, then only it can hit the right piece of documents from the vector database. And AI models can hallucinate or give inconsistent answers. Now you also understand how to use AI on business data using RAG. So RAG is basically retrieval plus generation improve reliability. It connects AI with real-world knowledge, essential for trustworthy AI applications. Now we understand what is RAG, how RAG works. In the next video, we are going to build no-code RAG pipeline in Langflow with SambaNova hosted models that can help you to chat with your PDF files in seconds. And this is my YouTube channel and LinkedIn. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out. I am always happy to help and support. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.